Unboxing, baby! Man, I didn't even get the Monster Fairings in here. Sheesh. Woo! Let's see. Just gonna pull one out. Oh shit, that's multiple.
This looks like a
This is a plastic piece.
Yeah.
Plastic piece. Okay. I think all these are plastic. I think this is like the main piece here. One of the main pieces. Oh my god. Sheesh. It's like a little nipple here. A little dip. Just a little dip. Too much dip on the chip. Oh! Damn. I'm gonna have to blur my face out now. The side of it. Feels like that. Damn. Good lord. Sexy. Damn. Alright, that's the unboxing. Dang, that's gonna replace that piece right there.
This goes on the other side.
Yeah. That's gonna look sexy. Oh wow. Holy snaps. God. That's gonna be so fucking sexy. Oh. Look at that chicken strip. Look at that chicken strip.
Went to the track, boy.
You don't want to see it. She naked.
Yep. It's naked like.
We are shooting on the phone today. R7 is getting a makeover. We got all the pieces lined up. And I don't really know what else, honestly. Monsterfairings, big shout out, big sponsor. They sent me out a full carbon kit, and basically today is just a install video on it. Got the princess, having the princess treatment over here, with the two fans pointed at her. But there's a lot more pieces than I thought there was gonna be. Look at all this. God damn. We got her bike. We got everything out, pulled out from the garage. Just gonna go to town today. But we are going to cut back when I start doing shit and not just unwrapping a bunch of it because it's just boring. But alrighty. So the rest of the pieces undone. I got my slave here working on the bike. All the rest of the other pieces over here. Started to take some of these pieces down off the bottom part here. Starting to look naked. Let me see here.
Not getting paid for this.
Yeah, that's why I said slave. Yeah, it's starting to come together. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Toss this over here. Oh yeah, we got a new seat too, which we're never gonna use, but it's pretty sick. I'll show you. There it is. White piece is gonna be on the back, so it's barely gonna get used. Here we are back again. Face off. Sides pieces are off. Well, except for these two. We will get to those though. Look at everything that we have off the bike. Look at that. Oh yeah, and this piece was super glued or Gorilla glued back on because it was broken when it shipped. So it's hopefully that goes back on. Oh, but that's what she looks like right now. Don't mind the little 250 in the back. They're gonna be matching here in a second. A little naked bike. Stunt bike. Alright, well, this is all we can get done right now. We'll be back later. Thank you, Lukey, for everything you do.
My blood went into this, alright?
For you guys that don't know, this is my best friend Luke. I'm not gonna show his face because he's the same way as I am, but thank you, my boy, for everything. Alright. Alright, little update for you guys. I'm a fucking dumbass. If you ever do this kit, remember these little metal clips don't come with the fairing kit. You have to take them off your old kit. And I'm a dumbass and started putting this together and clipping it into the new, and snapped two of my fucking pieces. This one and this one. But I have fucking Gorilla Glue. Thank you. It's hers. And hopefully it fucking works and I put it back on. But here's what the bike looks like with all the fucking pieces off of it. So yeah, it matches. It matches 250 now. So there you go. That's what it looks like. All the other pieces, I got fucking shit everywhere right now. Look at this. All the other pieces, stuff everywhere. But yeah, that's how we're going right now. I started to put together this stuff over here, trying to get all the clips away and onto the other shit. But we're looking good so far. I mean, you can kind of tell just by the tank right there how it's gonna look. Damn. All right. We shall be back. All right, so got a whole thing put together, and yeah, I'm basically better than the manufacturer at this point. Got just a couple loose screws, but here's the reveal. This took me way too damn long, all right? And I have just a couple extra screws. I really don't know where these go. Be 100% honest. I looked, like I even like crawled around this thing, and like I have all the exterior bolts like are screws. Like it has to be somewhere from like under the seat or something like. But like everything's sturdy. Like, oh, that's supposed to move, but. Like all this shit's sturdy, all this is sturdy. I'm missing the logo. I had to put that on. But like all this sturdy. Oh shit! I don't understand. Anyway, that's it. Do a little something tomorrow, and then we'll be done. This is what it looks like, though. Sexy.